Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into a question that sparks the imagination and frankly, a little bit of awe. What if you fell into a black hole? It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but let's explore the incredible physics behind it. First off, the sheer gravitational pull of a black hole is mind-boggling. As you approach, this pull would become incredibly strong. Imagine being stretched like spaghetti. That's the concept of spaghettification. The gravitational force on your feet, for instance, would be much stronger than on your head, and this difference would literally pull you apart. It's a dramatic and, of course, entirely hypothetical scenario, but it highlights the extreme nature of these cosmic objects. Now, let's talk about the event horizon. This is often called the point of no return. Once you cross this boundary, the gravitational pull is so immense that nothing, not even light, can escape. From your perspective, time would seem to behave quite strangely. As you get closer to the black hole, time would appear to slow down relative to an observer far away. This is a consequence of Einstein's theory of relativity, where gravity warps space-time. So, what would you actually see asterisk? As you fall in, the universe behind you would appear to compress into a smaller and smaller window. While the light from the accretion disk, the swirling gas and dust around the black hole would become incredibly bright and distorted. It would be a visual spectacle unlike anything we can experience here on Earth. It's important to remember that this is a thought experiment, a way to understand the extreme limits of physics. Black holes are fascinating because they push our understanding of gravity and the universe to its absolute edge. They are not places we can visit, but their existence tells us so much about the fundamental forces that shape our cosmos. Thinking about these incredible phenomena really puts our place in the universe into perspective, doesn't it? It's a reminder of the vastness and the mystery that surrounds us. Thank you so much for joining me on this cosmic journey today. If you found this as fascinating as I did, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing for more explorations into the wonders of science and the universe. We'll see you next time.